The Royal Central School of Speech and Drama is an international leader in the fields of performing arts and research. It's a rigorous and intense course that takes the student through every stage of the design process. That starts with text analysis all the way through to technical rehearsals. One of my students, Will, is working on a version of Hamlet together with director Jeff Coleman.
The first thing to understand is the material of the production and show you're working on and the context behind it before meeting your director and discussing their vision and seeing how your visions match up. Once the vision is clear, I can go away and experiment with sound design and then try it out in rehearsals to try and see how I can support the show through sound and then create a powerful experience for the audience.
We'll source, record, edit their own sounds, manipulate them, and then take them into rehearsals to try out in real time, where they will then receive feedback from the director. That's really the key thing about being a sound designer, is being able to work creatively as a member of a creative team with a director.
Once I've sort of decided what my design sort of themes and elements are, I've got to sort of create a system that gets that across to the audience in the best way possible. And with the support that Central gives you, it's a safe environment to experiment with the system and find out what works best for your design.
It's very much hands-on, so it's very much learning through the experience of doing. It's that experiential learning that sets our students up to succeed after they graduate and begin their professional careers, because they know what it takes.
Sound to me is the most important element in the rehearsals, because without it I can't dream, I can't imagine the world that I'm trying to create, and nor can the actors. The sound is the world of the play, and therefore we need to make it.
This 3-year specialised course gives you the freedom to explore that discipline as much as you want, which means that I'm not focusing on lighting and stage management, I'm just doing sound. And after graduation you come out as a fully fledged practitioner ready to work in the industry. It's the perfect experience.